club isn't the best place to find a lover, so the bar is where I go. Me and my friends sat at the table doing shots, tripping fast, and then we talk slow. And you come over and start up a conversation with just me, and trust me, I'll give it a chance. Now take my hand, stop it, and the man on the jukebox, and then we start to dance. And now I'm singing like, girl, you know I want your love. Your love was handmade for somebody like me. Come on now, follow my lead. I may be crazy, don't mind me. Say, boy, let's not talk too much. Grab on my waist and put that body on me. Come on now, follow my lead. Come on now, follow my lead. I'm in love with the shape of you. We push and pull like a magnet do. Although my heart is falling too. I'm in love with your body. And last night you were in my room, and now my bedsheets smell like you. Every day discovering something brand new. Well, I'm in love with your body. 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 Every day discovering something brand new. I'm in love with the shape of you. When we came, we let the story begin. We're going out on our first date. You and me are thrifty, so go all you can eat. Fill up your bag and I fill up the plate. We talk for hours and hours about the sweet and the sour, and how your family's doing okay. And leaving, getting a taxi, kissing the backseat, tell the driver make the radio play. And I'm singing like, girl, you know I want your love. Your love was handmade for somebody like me. Come on now, follow my lead. I may be crazy, don't mind me. Say, boy, let's not talk too much. Grab on my waist and put that body on me. Come on now, follow my lead. Come on now, follow my lead. I'm in love with the shape of you. We push and pull like a magnet do. Although my heart is falling too. I'm in love with your body. Last night you were in my room, and now my bedsheets smell like you. Every day discovering something brand new. Well, I'm in love with your body. 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 Every day discovering something brand new. I'm in love with the shape of you. Come on, be my baby, come on. 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 I'm in love with the shape of you. We push and pull like a magnet do. Although my heart is falling too. I'm in love with your body. Last night you were in my room, and now my bedsheets smell like you. Every day discovering something brand new. I'm in love with your body. Come on, be my baby, come on. Come on, be I'm in love with your body. Come on, be my baby, come on. Come on, be I'm in love with your body. Come on, be my baby, come on. Come on, be I'm in love with your body. Every day discovering something brand new. I'm in love with the shape of you.
Uy, sama na eh. Video man eh. Actually, this is my 9th day and I just had showered and cleaned my scalp. If you look at it, you can see there's one pimple and I'm advised not to prick or squeeze that pimple because it's a hair that is coming out. It might cause infection. So I'm very happy. Thank you, New Heart, for especially to Dr. Michael Luke Salinas for the help. My hair restoration surgery that was done last September 30 from 7 a.m. until 7 p.m. It was a 12 hours long surgery because of the 3,000 grafts that were taken from my donor area here at the back and the sides and put in the frontal top portion of my head. That was so intense and it was very challenging, but then because of my excitement and because of my desire to really solve the problem, so this is it. This is almost my 10th day. Actually, today is my 9th day since operation. This is 9th day post-op hair restoration surgery. So thank you and God bless. Bye-bye. People, I am here at New Heart undergoing hair restoration transplantation by Dr. Mike Salinas. I'm so happy to be here and excited to finish the surgery. Thank you for good morning. This is my 20th day from this is day 20 of this is October 19 today. So I got my hair restoration surgery last September 30 and this is the result. You can see here on the sides and the front you can see it's already growing. On the other side, and if you look at the back side also, so everything is really getting better, and day after day I keep on monitoring it until we get the best result I had for my hair restoration. So looking forward for the 4th month and the 6 months as well as the 365 days from now. So let's see what's the difference of my hair restoration as it progresses, the progress of my hair restoration. So that's for now. Bye.